this video, I'm going to show you how to cut out the fabric pieces to make the makeup bag. So what you're going to need is the exterior fabric here, and you'll also need the lining fabric here. And then you're going to need a foam piece, and then the shape flex interface, which looks like this. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to cut out is the exterior piece. And I have a pattern here that I've made. I have wrong side fabric facing up, and be conservative with your fabric because you can get 3 cuts of fabric from one width of fabric. So just be mindful of the selvage. Remember, the selvage is the finished edge of the fabric, and it's got these holes on it. When you're putting your pattern down, make sure you put it on just past those holes. And since this fabric has lines on it, I'm going to use this line right here as my guide. All right. And I'm laying my pattern here. Now you're going to use a erasable pen to trace around your pattern. As you're tracing, make sure you apply pressure here to the pattern so it doesn't shift on you. And with the exterior fabric, you are going to cut out 2 of those. Alright, so that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to cut that out. When you're cutting, make sure you have nice smooth edges and you cut along that marking there. The seam allowance on this project is only 1/4 of an inch, so it's very small. I have 2 different pencil marks right here. I need to make sure which one is it. So look real quick. It's the inside one. And you're going to do the same process for the lining, the foam, and the shape flex. So you'll end up cutting 2 of everything for that. So like here I've already pre-cut one, so I've got 2 of these because you'll need 2 of the print. And then I've already cut 1 of these, but I have to cut 1 more out of the lining. And I've got 2 of the shape flex already pre-cut. And then I have 2 of the foam already cut out there. Now there's one other piece that you need to cut out, and that is the handle. The handle, you're going to use the rotary cutter, mat, and ruler and measure out 4 inches and 6 inches. And you'll cut that out of the exterior fabric. And then you'll also need to cut out a 4x6 piece of the shape flex interface. So those are all the pieces that you need all cut out. And then I'll show you the next step. In the next video, I'll show you how to iron all of the pieces, the shape flex and the foam onto the fabric.